Hello everyone, myself Rhythm Gupta, and today I am going to give a presentation on the topic Production Technology of Mango. Before starting, I would like to thank our course instructor Dr. Prashant Bakshi for giving me such a great opportunity. So let's begin. Here are the contents of my presentation. Introduction. Mango is one of the choicest and most ancient fruits known in the world. It is known as the king of fruits as well as the bathroom fruit. It is rich in vitamin A along with calcium and phosphorus. Its origin is believed to be from native to Southeast Asia. Indo-Burma region is believed to be the primary center of mango. It is the fifth largest fruit crop in the world by production. Its global production is around 27 million tons per annum. Now comes the botanical description. Its scientific name is Mangifera indica. Common name is mango arm. It belongs to family Anacardiaceae. Order is Sapindales. Chromosome number is 40. Mango's fruit type is drupe and the edible part is mesocarp. General characteristics. A mango tree's height varies from 10 meter to 40 meter. They are evergreen with symmetrical and rounded canopy. They live well up to 100 years. The trees that are planted in the orchard are kept at a height of 6 to 9 meter. The type of pollination in mango trees is cross-pollination, which is done by housefly. Flowers are radially symmetrical and have 5 petals. Distribution and production. Mango by production is the fifth largest fruit crop in the world and second most important tropical fruit crop. Global production is around 27 million tons per annum. Mango producing countries include China, Thailand, Mexico, Pakistan, Philippines, Indonesia, Brazil, Nigeria and Egypt. In India, leading states are UP, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Bihar, West Bengal, Orissa, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana and J&K. Uses and importance. Besides taste and flavor, mango is very rich in vitamin A and C. Fruit is used in all the stages, both mature and immature. Raw fruits are used to make chutney, pickles and juices, and ripe fruits are used for dessert and to make squashes, syrups, nectars, jams and jellies. Kernel contains 8 to 10% good quality fat which can be used for soap and or substitute for cocoa butter. Fresh mangoes and mango pulp are important items of export. Climate and soil. Mango thrives well up to 1400 above sea level, but the area must be frost free and no rainfall or humidity during flowering. Favorable temperature is 24 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Mango can grow on a wide range of soils, but deep and well-drained loam to sandy loam soils are the most suitable ones. The pH range for mango production is 5.5 to 7.5. Varieties. The very first variety is Alfonso. It is mostly cultivated in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh. It is orange-yellow in color. Juice is moderate abundant. Dashhari. It is the mid-season variety which ripens in first half of July. It is popular in North India. The fruit shape is small with yellow color. Bombay Green or Malda. These are the earliest varieties of North India. The fruit is medium in shape and spinach green in color. Langda. It is the mid-season cultivar which ripens in second half of July. Fruit is medium in shape and lemon yellow in color. Summer Bahish Chosa. It is late maturing variety with large fruit and light yellow in color. These are mostly grown for table and processing purposes. The exotic varieties include Embrapa roxa 141, Embrapa alpha 142, Irvin, Kate, etc. Hybrid varieties. Malika. It is the cross between Neelam and the Shehri. It was released by Dr. Ramnath Singh at IARI, New Delhi. The fruits are large with yellow color. The pulp is good with excellent sugar and used for table purposes. Amrapali. It is the cross between the Shehri and Neelam. It was also released by IARI, New Delhi. The variety is dwarf, grows well with pruning and under high density planting. It is late maturing and fiberless. Ratna. It is the cross between Neelam and Alfonso, released by Konkan Krishi Vidyapith, Maharashtra. Fruits are medium sized and free from spongy tissue. The fruits are attractive in color. Sindhu. This variety was developed by back-crossing Ratna with Alfonso. It was also released by Konkan Krishi Vidyapith, Maharashtra. It bears medium-sized fruits with high pulp and small stone. They are fiberless and free from spongy tissues. Propagation. Rootstock used for grafting is grown from stones of seedling mango trees. Stones are grown soon after they are removed from ripe fruit. Stones are sown in July-August in well-prepared beds. Seeds are sown in lines 45 cm apart and at a distance of 60 cm. Seeds are covered with sands and well-rotten FYM. Seedling assumes graftable size in next July-August, but some well-cared seedlings became fit in March-April. Grafting methods. Mangoes can be propagated by several methods, but veneer, side and cleft grafting are the most efficient as well as cheaper methods. Following points should be kept in mind. Scion sticks should have equal thickness as rootstock. Scion sticks should be selected from terminal non-flowered shoot which is of about 3 to 4 months of age. Scion stick should be defoliated, leaving a portion of petiole 7 to 10 days before their detachment from mother plant. Grafting time. Grafting can be done from March to April and from mid-August to September. Planting. Pits are dug during summer and filled with 20 to 25 kg well-rotten FYM and garden soil. 8 to 10 meter distance is kept in both ways. For high density, planting should be done at 4.5 into 4.5 meter spacing. Plants should be obtained from reliable nursery and pedigree should be known. Graft union should be 25 cm above ground level. Plants should be handled carefully during the transit. Manuring and fertilization. Mango trees need different doses of fertilizer at different years of age. Here is a table showing different ages with their respective doses needed. Irrigation. First irrigation is given just after planting in absence of rains. Subsequent irrigation is needed afterwards as per the requirement up to 2 to 3 years. Interval between them must be 3 to 4 days in summer and once a fortnight in the winter. Harvesting and yield. During the first 3 to 4 years, flowering on the trees should be removed. It is common to harvest fruits when they start falling naturally, that is the tapka stage. Fruits are harvested using bamboo hand tool called mango picker. Yield varies due to several factors. From a well-grown mango tree, yield varies from 40 to 100 kgs and may go up to 3 to 5 quintals at the age of 40. Special problems. Fruit drop in mango. Natural fruit drop of mango is rather severe, amounting about 99%. Maximum drop of fruits is in Langda and the Shehri and takes place in first 3 weeks of April. They can be managed by the application of bioregulators like NAA or 2,4-D about 6 weeks after fruit set. Regular irrigation during fruit setting and development period reduce fruit drop. Biennial bearing. Mango producing good crop one year and no crop in next year is called biennial bearing or alternate bearing. It is most burning problem as it renders mango cultivation. It is a genetic problem and starts exhibiting at second year of fruiting. It can be managed by proper upkeep and maintenance of orchards. Physiological disorders. Black tip. It is a very serious problem in mango orchards. Distal ends of fruit turn black and spot gets hardened. It can be controlled by shifting the brick kilns 2 km east or west and 1 km north or south. Operation of existing kilns should be avoided from February to March. Increase the height of chimney of kilns to about 15 to 18 meter. Spray borax before and after flowering at fruit set stage. Leaf scrotch. Mango leaves, especially old ones, show scratching at the tip and the margins. Affected leaves fall down and yield is reduced. Controlled measures. Collect and destroy fallen leaves. Apply potassium sulfate and avoid brackish water for irrigation. Insect pests and their control. Mealybug Brassica mangiferae causes damage to crop by sucking sap from inflorescences, stem, leaves and shoot. Observed in January to April. To prevent it, 25 cm width polythene strip fastened around tree trunk to stop ascent of nymphs before egg hatching in November and December. If infestation is observed, spray 2 gram acephate per liter of water. Mango hopper Amritodes atkinsoni observed in February-March when crop is in flowering stage. They suck sap from inflorescences and leaves. On infection, flower gets sticky and sooty mold and a black fungus is observed. They can be managed by spraying cypermethrin, deltamethrin, fenvalerate or nimbicidine. Diseases and their control. Anthracnose or dieback. Dark brown or black spots on shoots, whereas small, raised, dark spots are observed on fruits. To control this, cut infested dead portion and apply Bordeaux paste on it. Spray Bordeaux mixture if infestation is reported in the field. Spray copper oxychloride on infested trees. Powdery mildew. Whitish powdery growth observed on inflorescence and floral parts. Fruits, branches and floral parts show dieback symptoms. Management. Before, during flowering and after fruit set, spray 1.25 kg wettable sulfur in 200 liter of water. If needed, take second spray with interval of 10 to 15 days. Now, here are some questions related to the topic. Malika is a hybrid variety formed by the cross of, and the correct answer is Neelam and the Shehri. Spacing in mango orchards is kept, and the correct answer is 8 to 10 meters. Amrapali variety was released by which institute? And the correct answer is Indian Agricultural Research Institute, New Delhi. Black tip occurs in plants in close vicinity to, and the answer is brick kilns. Ideal temperature for mango cultivation is, and the correct answer is 24 to 27 degrees Celsius. Origin of mango is believed to be, and the correct answer is Indo-Burma region. Commercial method of mango propagation is, and the correct answer is Wiener grafting. Largest producer of mango in the world is, and the correct answer is India. Bathroom fruit is a common name of, and the correct answer is mango. Family of mango is, and the correct answer is Anacardiaceae. Thank you.